Here's a civilian in a Cessna, revving his engine. The paint jumbo commerce line just happens to go by my house, and I'm just a vulnerable, paranoid dumbass, and that's all that ever happened. And he's just one of a couple Cessnas. Here's another Cessna, so straight up coming this way. Then here goes a white jumbo right above my head. So there's a sound double up. The other Cessna's revving in my backyard now. And they're disgusting. It's shameful. It's just like, oh yeah, that's all that ever happened. Two tiny little sounds. I still don't think people really know. Now he's over the fireman's house. Right, left, right. This is the jumbo, left. Post center, slightly right. Little left. Post left. 1 second, there's a car. Post left. Crossing over Oliveira, post left back to center. Little wiggle center. Little left and center. Little right left. Right left. 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 It's the sun reflecting off of it. Slightly right. Slightly left. Left. Little left bump back center. Little right left. Wiggle right. Center then right. Left. Pulse center. Pulse left. Wiggle left. Right left. Right back center. That's the sun reflecting off of it. Now slight float left. Now he's far out.